Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix you couldn't complete the update, undoing changes, don't turn off your computer on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the Windows update stuck and you will see the error, we couldn't complete the updates, undoing changes, don't turn off your computer, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. For this, first you just need to hold the power button at least for 10 seconds, then just turn off your laptop. After that, you just need to press again, then leave it. After that, press again for 10 seconds and leave it. Again, it will turn off. You just need to repeat this procedure at least 3 times till when you will see the startup repair. When you will see the startup repair, then you just need to click on advanced option. After clicking advanced option, you just need to press troubleshoot. Then after troubleshoot, you will find advanced option. After clicking advanced option, there you will see first option quick machine recovery. You just need to click on that. Then you just need to wait for some time and check hope your issue will be resolved or not. Still this is not working, then you just need to click on command prompt. You will find below the quick machine recovery. After clicking command prompt, there you type one command. Here you can see you just need to type this first command SFC space forward slash scan now. After completion of this command, type the second command DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup hyphen image space forward slash restore health. Then hit enter. Then close this command prompt window. Then click on continue and your PC will be restart. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix we couldn't update, undoing changes, don't turn off your computer on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.